Question: what are you currently riding? Are you considering to switch over to a Kawasaki if you haven't already? Okay, so I haven't bought a jet ski. Ooh, 22 years? No. Yeah, the 08. Okay, so 14 years? I haven't bought a jet ski in 14 years. Haven't had to. I get all my jet skis for free, but for a limited time. And that is what, is the business. That's the job. So, unfortunately, I'm kind of at the behest of what the manufacturers give me. My personal ranking of brand new units. Like, what would I buy if I was to buy a Watercraft? Well, first and foremost, I'm a father of 3 kids, 13, 9, and 6, and I'm married. So I need a toy that is going to be more family friendly. That's me. All right. A Jet Blaster, a Super Jet, those two I would consider. I would not buy an SXR 1500. I would buy an SXR 800, but no one else would be able to enjoy that but me. So that's out because it's a family purchase. It is not a dad purchase. So my personal pick, right off the bat, Kawasaki 310X. Is it a perfect ski? No. Are there things that could be better? Certainly. But for all the reasons I've listed above and before and in previous articles, the 310X is currently my personal favorite. Not the LXS, not the LX, just the X. I don't need a sound system. I don't need a windscreen. I don't need a reverse-facing camera. I don't need an extra 12 inches of cargo room on the back. I don't need an extra 70 pounds of weight on my already big Cowie. I don't need any of that jazz. But I would opt for the USB port in the glove box. And that would be my only addition, is the USB plug that is in the watertight storage. That would be the only thing I would change on that ski. My number 2 would be a FX non-cruiser SVHO. I don't need to pay for the cruiser seat. I'm too tall for the cruiser seat. I'm 6'2", so I don't like the positioning of the cruiser seat. I like the non-cruiser. That's a personal preference. After that, I would consider a GP SVHO, but it'd probably be between the VXHO and the GTI 170 SE. Both of those Watercraft are very stable, very fun, have plenty of storage, have plenty of accessories available to them. Both of those are a great medium-priced entry. In fact, I'd probably pick the GTI SE 170 over the VX and probably over owning a GP SVHO. And I know that makes me a stick in the mud, but I'm thinking about who's using it, how are we using it, am I racing? No, I'm not. And that ends up being more of my practical side kicking in. So, Mike, thank you for that. That gave us a few minutes of a good conversation.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.